Ready for a bold change? Discover your next gorgeous gray look. 1. Pixie Cut. Ideal for angular faces, this ultra-short cut lifts features and minimizes styling time. Perfect for fine hair, creating instant volume at the crown for a youthful, energetic look. 2. Textured Bob. Soft waves suit oval faces perfectly, framing the jawline gracefully while adding bounce. Excellent choice for thick hair. Thinning the ends prevents bulk and maintains shape easily. 3. Asymmetrical Pixie. Great for round faces. The longer side-swept bangs create a flattering, elongating effect. Adds an edgy modern twist for confident women wanting to highlight their best cheekbone. Layered Crop. Enhances natural hair texture. Short layers provide effortless lift for thinning gray hair. Ideal for a wash-and-wear lifestyle, keeping maintenance low while looking highly styled. 5. Blunt Bob. Strong horizontal lines flatter square faces, delivering a sharp and sophisticated profile. Makes fine, straight gray hair appear noticeably thicker and healthier at the baseline. 6. Shaggy Bob. Perfect for wavy hair, offering a playful vibe that beautifully softens mature features. Strategic choppy layers easily mask thinning spots while creating beautiful natural volume. 7. Spiky Pixie. Suits petite faces wonderfully, drawing the eye upwards for a natural facelifting effect. An excellent bold choice for completely white hair, exuding confidence and modern energy. 8. Curly Bob. Balances long faces beautifully. Natural curls bring vitality and soften the overall look. Embrace your natural curl pattern with a chin-length cut that prevents triangle-shaped hair. 9. Undercut Pixie. Removes heavy bulk from the neckline, making it ideal for managing very thick, coarse hair. Perfect for trendsetters. The shaved sides highlight the silver top for maximum impact. 10. Feathered Crop. Sweeping feathered layers soften sharp angular faces and add a touch of timeless elegance. Requires minimal styling products. The wispy ends move gracefully for a dynamic appearance.